Here are two congruent figures. Figure DEFG is congruent to figure QPRS. Since they are congruent, we know that corresponding angles and corresponding sides are also congruent. This is written so the corresponding angles are in the same order. So, based on how this is written, we know that angle D is congruent to angle Q. We can write in an arc with a single tick mark to signify this. We also know that angle E is congruent to angle P. We can write in an arc with two tick marks to show this. And we know that angle F is congruent to angle R, and angle G is congruent to angle S. And I've put in arcs with 3 and 4 tick marks to signify these angles. Now for corresponding sides. Again, based on how this is written, we know that segment DE is congruent to segment QP. So I'll put a single tick mark on those segments. Next, we know that segment EF is congruent to segment PR. So 2 tick marks on those segments. And we know that segment FG is congruent to segment RS, and segment GD is congruent to segment SQ. So I'll put in 3 and 4 tick marks to show this. And when two figures are congruent, and they're not facing the same direction, so to speak, it can be helpful to make these marks to keep things clear. And this can also help when you need to solve for certain values of certain figures, as you see here in this example, which I'll cover more in depth in a future video. Alright my friends, hopefully you got something out of this video. I do have more videos right there for you. Till next time, I am out of here.